Okay, Cito, this is the A3000. I got the cover off. I did verify that the battery is dead, no voltage. And there was a little bit of corrosion right here and on this chip A470, U4777, 477, right. I think it's a deinterlacer or something chip. But I've got it hooked up simultaneously to a 31 kilohertz monitor and the original 1084S 15 kilohertz monitor. So I'm going to boot it up now and you'll hear what it sounds like.
Excuse me? Are you looking at me? Did you rub my lamp? Did you wake me up? Did you bring me here?
I've got some startup music. Okay, that should bring up the work. That. I don't know if you know what Imagine is. It's a DC TV. That gives you the 4096. But if you're on PAL system, it may not work for you. But anyway, it's available. I have the hardware. Okay. I guess it's got 2.8 megabytes memory of other, and then a 1.86. I think it's total of 4 megabytes. And it's a 25 or 50 gigabyte or 50 megabyte 50 megabyte hard drive. So anyway, it gives you an idea. That's basically it. I don't want to do the repair on the battery. If you want to do that, great. I saw the video on it. Don't really feel up to it. Probably could, but not interested. So let me know what you think. I'll send you this video link. Bye. Just so you know, I've got this little utility over here that puts everything together. There's a few games on here, utilities. D-Paint 3 and D-Paint 4 are on here. So that always worked pretty good. It's got with animation. I can't remember what all the utilities are. It doesn't know what the date is, so it wouldn't matter. It still stays as January 1990. So the clock's back to 0. Anyway, that should give you an idea what it does and how it works. If you're willing to work on it to do all the other stuff, that's great.
I don't think so.
Okay, I'm gonna go shut it down again.